In this video, we'll be going over Historia on amor, trumpet 1. And the beginning phrases where you have the high A and the B, you want to make sure you're not blasting or overshadowing the other melodies. You want a nice warm tone. So you'll start the beginning. They're all 8 notes, so it's 2 and 3 and 4 and. And we'll be starting after 4, taking a breath on the count 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the cup, you'll be covering your hand with the bell of the trumpet. Starting on the phrase after the 3, taking a breath on 3. 1, 2. Now we will be skipping this part here so the voice can be embellished better. And on the second ending, we'll be adding that 8th note phrase. So starting after count 2 on breath, taking a breath on count 2. 3, 4, 1. And again, you want to look at the dots on the bottom. That's staccato. So you want the notes to be short and sweet. In the next section here, mezzo forte, you will be playing open, not covering the bell of the trumpet. Starting on count 3, taking a breath on 3. 1, 2. 3, 4, 1. Next part, after 2, 1. And short. Next one, cup, we've gone over that. This section. Now the ending. Here we go. And again, staccato. 1, 2, 3. And we will be incorporating a high F sharp on that 8th rest there. And that's it.